This question is taken from one of the math competitive exams conducted in USA, America. Let's see how to solve this question. We are given that there is a rectangle ABCD and angle ADC. Angle ADC is angle of rectangle itself. It is trisected. Trisected means divided into three equal parts. And we are given with one of the sides of the rectangle. We need to find the perimeter of a triangle BDP. Okay. So before solving the question, let's mark few important things in the figure itself. Side BC is 1. If side BC is 1, definitely AD will also be 1 because ABCD is a rectangle. Now, angle A will be 90 degree. Yes, this angle A will be 90 degree because it is angle of a rectangle. Now, this angle ADC is also 90 because this is also an angle of rectangle. But this angle is trisected, divided into three equal parts. That means this is 30, this is also 30, and this is also 30. Now in triangle DAP, 90 and 30 is already there. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 60 degree. Why? Because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes. Now point P is lying on the side AB on a straight line. So if this is 60 degree, this will be 120 degree because 120 plus 60 gives us 180. Now look at triangle DPB. In triangle DPB, this is 30, this is 120. So what will be this angle? This angle will turn out to be 30 degree. Why? 120 plus 30 is 150. 150 plus 30 turns out to be 180. Sum of three angles of a triangle. Now you can see that in triangle DPB, two angles are same, 30 degree and 30 degree. That means it is an isosceles triangle. So if it is an isosceles triangle, side DP and PB will be equal to each other. Now in right triangle DCB, angle C is 90 degree because angle of a rectangle again. Now if this is 90, this is 30, definitely this angle will be 60 degree. Again, the same reason, correct? Now we have marked most of the important things that we need to solve this question. Let's start with the solution. Now, I will be starting my solution with right triangle DAP. In right triangle DAP, the angles are 30, 60 and 90 degree. In any right triangle, if the angles are 30, 60 and 90, the ratio of sides opposite to these angles is fixed. That is 1, root 3 and 2. This is not the length. This is the ratio of the sides opposite to these angles. This ratio can be very useful to find the sides of that particular right triangle. In this case, that right triangle is DAP. I'll be using 60 degree and 90 degree. So what is the ratio of sides opposite to 60 and 90? That is root 3 and 2. In this triangle, the side opposite to 60 degree is 1 and the side opposite to 90 degree is DP. Okay. So DP will turn out to be 2 by root 3. As we have marked in the figure that DP and PB are equal to each other, that means PB will also be 2 by root 3. Okay, this we will be using later on in the question. Similarly, I'll go to right triangle BCD and I'll be using the same ratio of 30, 60 and 90. This time I'll be using 30 degree and 90 degree. So what is the ratio of sides opposite to 30 and 90? 30 opposite to 30 is 1 and opposite to 90 is 2. That means 1 by 2. In this right triangle BCD, the side opposite to 30 degree is 1 and the side opposite to 90 degree is BD. Correct? So BD will turn out to be 2. BD will turn out to be 2. Now we need to find the perimeter of triangle BDP. How we can find it? By adding the three sides, that is DP plus PB plus BD. Yes. What is the value of DP here? The value of DP we have already found out, that is 2 by root 3. The PB length is also same, that is 2 by root 3. And what is the value of BD? BD is 2. So let's add them. You will get 4 by root 3 plus 2. I will rationalize the first term and we will get 4 root 3 upon 3 plus 2. So the perimeter of triangle BDP will turn out to be 4 root 3 upon 3 plus 2. This will be our final answer.